Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Cancer, your person current feelings and action for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Cancer. Okay, let's see. The source, exhaustion and celebration. Definitely they want a brand new beginning with you. Ace of Swords. The source means Ace of Wands, sorry. And exhaustion means Nine of Wands. And celebration is Three of Cups. Definitely they're feeling like exhausted due to the separation for some. Definitely they want to come towards you and offer a brand new beginning because they want to celebrate their life with you. So for some who are in separation right now, for that you person feeling very exhausted. Nine of Wands. The source means Ace of Wands. They want a brand new beginning with you. So let's see your person actions towards you. So their actions purely depending upon your situations right now. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Cancer. Temperance, Three of Pentacles. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Sagittarius could be. Nine of Pentacles. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. I think you both working on same office. You both could be colleagues. I want one clarification for the Nine of Pentacles. High Priestess. Definitely they are now listening to their intuition. Lot of readings got High Priestess. Patience and balance is needed. Definitely they want to work on this relationship, but I think they are waiting for you to make a move towards them because they stand by their power right now, Nine of Pentacles, and they trust their intuition. They are listening to their intuition. If you make a move towards them, definitely they will make this relationship. And they also want a brand new beginning with you, but there are some ego issues I am seeing because you waiting for they make a move towards you, or you person waiting to make a move towards them. Definitely because patience and balance, time plays a crucial role, divine timing. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Definitely if you both work on this relationship, there is another chance for this relationship, definitely. So two cards, I'm not taking too many cards. Okay. Awareness. Conditioning. One person is very dominative in this connection. Integration. High Priestess. Definitely intuition plays crucial role. I think you could be trust your intuition. And comparison, Five of Swords. Some disputes between both of you. I already told you, you both are waiting for each other to make a move towards you. And awareness, definitely you both got some awareness. And integration, High Priestess. Definitely your person trusting their intuition, and then there are some disputes and dominating in this connection should be removed. Then there is a chance for new beginning. So you both have to work on this relationship to take things to next level. So this is patience and balance is also needed. So keep in mind. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.